What kind of boots?
Bob.
Yes.
Kendall.
Oh.
Whose big old shoes were those? Bob's?
Oh, what?
Those Bob's?
Oh, I was stuck on the power switch. And
Yeah, Bob's shoes.
I was doing just fine too. Fuck that shit. Alright, well I'll be on later on tonight. Okay. Alright.
Ooh-wee, look at those shoes. Do they fit? They fit, huh? Do you feel your toes?
They fit? And y'all are good, fool.
Huh?
I said you color good. My shit looks crappy.
I know.
I know you like that green though.
I've been told I've been a color girl. You know.
Brian.
What?
Big
Oh.
big for
I didn't know that. I'm gonna have a stove though first
Mom.
before.